Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my nighttime pamper routine. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. Wintertime is always a time that I love to take baths. It's not very often that I get to do a whole pamper routine, but when I do, it's so nice and cozy and fun. So that is what I'm going to do tonight. The first thing I'm going to do is paint my nails. I've got some chips in them because I've been making tons and tons of jewelry for With Love Sarah, and I'm kind of out of the weeds of making that jewelry. So I'm going to paint my nails and hope that they stay nice for longer. And then I'm going to take a bath, do my skincare, do a mask, all the things. So first up, my nails. I am making myself cozy on the couch. I'm sitting on the floor. I'm gonna paint my nails this really pretty red color. It is called...
She doesn't even like red.
Drop the Gown. Red is growing on me this Christmas season. It's very bizarre. So I'm going to paint my nails here. If you haven't seen my salon manicure at home video, I highly suggest watching that. It goes over every product, every technique, all the steps, all of that. I'm not gonna go through that tonight. I'm just going to paint my nails. So let's do it. I will link the video up in the cards for you. And since I'm in the living room, I get to hang out with that guy. I threw my hair up in a messy bun, threw on a cozy sweatshirt, and I'm going to take my makeup off. Welcome to my tiny bathroom, by the way. I am going to use this from Elemis. It is the Pro-Collagen Cleansing Balm. I love this. The one thing I'm not the biggest fan of this product is the scent, but I hear people rave about the scent all the time. And I do know that they have a couple of other scents. I actually think I have another one of the scents, but I haven't used it before. And then I'm using one of these washcloths from Amazon. It comes in like a pack of 8 or something like that. So I'm going to take my makeup off with this, and I do a double cleanse method. So I will be washing my face after that with the Dermalogica special cleansing gel. I don't know how it's possible, but I didn't hit record on that. So I just took a little bit of the cleansing balm. This is what it looks like. So I just took a little bit of that, I'll just show you guys again, and then massage it into my fingers and then onto my dry skin. And this just starts to break up all of my makeup. And you can do it for your eye makeup as well. I generally do that last. So basically all of my makeup is broken up at this point. And now I still have some residual on my fingers. And so I just like to be really, really gentle around the eye area. And then I take a washcloth with hot water, not too hot to tolerate, but really nice and warm water. And I just start wiping away all of that makeup. Be very, very gentle around your eye area. I always try to make sure I really get near the hairline because that's where a lot of makeup seems to stick around. And then after I get everything off, I'm going to go in and clean my face with the Dermalogica pre-cleanse, which is pretty self-explanatory. Just wet my face and then massage this into my skin, rinse it off, and towel dry. Now that my face is nice and clean and dry, I'm going to go in with a mask. This is from Origins. It's from their Clear Improvement line. It's the Charcoal Honey Mask. I love this one. Activated charcoal is really good for acne. So I'm just going to put this in kind of my problem areas. I'm not going to put it up on my forehead just because I don't really need it there, and I don't like to waste the product when I don't need to. And I am using an EcoTools foundation brush to apply it, just so that I'm not putting my fingers in the tub. I know I'm dipping the brush back in, but I do wash it. I still just feel like it's a little bit more sanitary. All right, time to let this mask soak in and take a bath. This portion of today's video is sponsored by Made with a Mission. I've worked with them before. I absolutely love this company. They have soaps, lotions, and these bath teas, which the bath teas were actually created in the co-founder's kitchen sink originally, which is amazing. They come in a package of 3 oversized tea bags. There's a blend of salt, herbs, essential oils, and bubbles in them. You put them under the faucet, and then it turns the water a different color. There's blue, green, purple, and pink, which is what I'm using today. I absolutely love these. I've never seen them before. I think they're so different. They'd make a great stocking stuffer, and they come in a package of 3 for $7.49. You can grab them at Whole Foods, which is absolutely amazing. This is my first time trying the pink, which is the Love Spell scent, and my entire bathroom smells so good. I cannot wait to get into this right now. I just got out of the bath, and then I did rinse off and wash my hair because it's a hair washing day. So I have my wide tooth comb. This is how I always brush out my hair. I don't ever use an actual brush. So I'm just going to brush out my hair and then do my nighttime skincare. I'm like fully relaxed right now, which is obviously the point. To be honest, since my hair is naturally straight, I don't have a lot of knots or anything. My hair doesn't really get tangled unless I'm like, in the winter it does when I have a scarf on and a hat and it's like turning into knots in the back, but otherwise I really don't. All right, I just pinned back half of my hair so I can have access to my face. I just started trying this out. It's from Elemis. It's the Pro-Collagen Rose Facial Oil. So I'm going to use this. This is my 3rd night using it, I think. And I don't use the full dropper. I use like 5 or 6 drops. And then just kind of rub it in and then pat it into my skin. For my eye cream, I'm using this one from Murad. It is the Renewing Eye Cream. And I'm actually almost out of it. I was using a bunch of different skincare products. I don't know what I'm talking about. And I was using all of them kind of at the same time, and so now I'm running out of everything, which is sad. So I like to pat this in with my ring finger because it is your most gentle finger, and I do want to be very, very careful around my eye area. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be able to use this. This is from Origins. It's the Drink Up Intensive Overnight Hydrating Mask with avocado and Swiss glacier water. I have been squeezing this to death lately, trying to get like the last little bit out. Ooh, I actually think I might be able to have enough. Okay, I think that was probably it. This I absolutely love. It leaves your skin feeling super supple and nourished when you wake up. It is so hydrating feeling. It smells delicious. And I've just noticed that my skin really, really likes it, which if I find a product that my skin just really reacts well to, I try and use those products. So there's quite a few nighttime creams that I love and a few different brands that my skin really reacts well to, and Origins is definitely one of those. And this product is just amazing, and I always like to take it down my neck, trying to go in upward motions because your neck can show age very prematurely. And then the last thing I'm going to do is my Laneige Sleeping Lip Mask, and this is, again, just a great product. I'm about halfway through it. It came with a spatula, which I don't use. I was really good about it for like the first 3 weeks, and then I got lazy and now I put my finger into it. Alrighty guys, that is everything for my nighttime pamper routine. I don't get to do this full routine very often, but it's always so nice when I do. So let me know down below what you do. If you have a pamper routine, is it the same as mine? Is it different? Let me know what you do down below in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Again, thank you so much to Made with a Mission for sponsoring a portion of today's video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.